In the name of Almighty Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. As Muhammad, peace be upon him, narrated, if anyone travels on a road in search of knowledge, Almighty Allah will cause him to travel on one of the roads of paradise. Hello everyone, this is Dr. Tariq Masood. Thank you very much for watching my videos and your wonderful support to make this channel a grand success. We are a family, a partner. Please subscribe and share our channel if you haven't done so far. We as a team can work together to convert challenges into opportunities and opportunities into success stories. These success stories can be monetized into validation in the world by large. Thank you very much for your precious time. Okay, today I'm going to discuss my lecture number 38, oil and gas production, exploration, production, upstream, midstream, refining, petrochemical, differentiated performance enabling profit optimization process, lecture number 38. Okay, before my lecture, I used to read a Quranic verse. Qala Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli Allahumma Rabbi zidni ilma. O my Lord, open my chest and ease my task for me, and loose a knot from my tongue, that they may understand my sayings. Allahumma Rabbi zidni ilma. O Allah, advance me in my knowledge and true understanding. Okay, oil and gas production. Introduction, facilities and process management systems, reservoir and wellhead management systems, upstream facilities management system, midstream facilities management system, refining facilities, petrochemicals, utility system, conventional and unconventional resources and environment effects. What is my ultimate goal? Shaping the clean and sustainable global energy. So planned to deliver a more than 300 lecture next couple of years. Oil and gas production, the utility system, lecture 38. Today we plan to discuss telecom, external communications, internal communications, safety and security system, management and utility system. Okay, key takeaway points. Lecture number 38. Today we are going to discuss telecom, its internal and external systems, and we are also going to recap a chemical injection and management systems, which we have already discussed in my lecture number 37. Okay, telecom. Traditionally, all electronic systems that do not fall naturally under the electrical and automation brackets are grouped as telecommunication systems, such as telecom system consists of a variety of subsystems for human and computer wired and wireless communication, monitoring, observation, messaging, and entertainment. Okay, now we are going to discuss some of the main systems from my next slide. Okay, some of the main systems. First is the public address and alarm systems, FNG integrations. Number 2, access control. Number 3, drillers talkback systems. Number 4, UHF radio network systems. And number 5 here is closed circuit TV systems. Okay, number 6 here, mandatory radio systems and security access control systems, meteorological systems, sea waves radar, telecom antenna tower and antennas, PABs and telephone systems. Okay, some more system. First is entertainment system. Okay, second, marine radar and vessel movement system. Next is office data network and computer systems. Okay, personal paging systems and platform personal registration and tracking system, telecommunication management and monitoring system, ship communication and PABX extensions. Next is radio link systems, MAX and fiber optical terminal equipment, intrusion detections and satellite system. Okay, these systems are often grouped in 4 main areas. Okay, telecom subsystems are often grouped into four main areas. First is the external communication, then next is the internal communication. What is the external communication? External communication systems interconnect installation and link them into the surrounding world, carrying voice, video, process control, and safety system traffic necessary to allow uninterrupted or safe facility operation. With a two-day solution and technologies, distance to no longer an issue and bandwidth is available as needed, either on a demand or fixed. This opens up new ideas and opportunities to reduce operational cost in the industry. That is, first is the external communication. Okay, now internal communication. Internal communication or internal telecommunication systems play a major role in supporting day-to-day operations and improving the working environment. They allow any type of system or operator to communicate within the facilities, enable reliable and efficient operation. Okay, number three, safety and security systems. Safety and security systems are used for safeguarding personnel and equipment in or around an installation according to internal rules and standards. These systems are often adopted to meet a local or company safety requirement for best possible performance and flexibility. Safety systems are closely integrated with each other as well as other internal and external systems. Okay, number four, management and utility system. Systems and personal well-being are supported by a number of management and utility systems that are intended to ease and simplify telecom maintenance and operations. In today OEG, oil and gas in the world, all of these systems play an important role in laying the foundation for the remote operation and diagnostic and maintenance of the integration operations. Okay, now we are going to discuss chemicals and additive, a recap which we have already discussed in my lecture number 37. Okay, first as a scale inhibitor. The well flow contains several different contaminants such as salt, chalk, and traces of radioactive materials. As a pressure and temperature change, these may precipitate and deposit in pipes, heat exchangers, valves, and tanks. As a result, they may clog up or become stuck. The scale inhibitors prevent the contaminants from separating out. A scale of sediments inhibitors is applied to wellhead and production equipments. Okay. Second is emulsion breaker. Okay. Emulsion breaker. Water and oil cannot mix to form a true solutions. However, and small drops of oil can disperse in water. Small water drops can disperse in oil. Such systems are called emulsion. Oil in water and water in oil respectively. The drops are held suspended by electrostatic repulsion and will form a distinct layer between the oil and water. Sand and particles are normally carried out by the water extracted in the water treatment. However, the emulsion can trap these particles and sink to the bottom as a sticky sludge that is difficult to remove during operations. Although the emulsion layers will eventually break down naturally, it takes time, too much time. An emulsion breaker is added to prevent a formation and promote a breakdown of the emulsions layer by causing the droplets to merge and grow. Okay, next is antifoam. Okay, antifoam. The sloshing motions inside a separator causes a foaming. This foam covers the fluid surface and prevents a gas from escaping. Foams also reduce a gas space inside the separator and can pass the demister and escape to the gas outlet in form of mist and liquid drops. An antifoam agent is introduced upstream of the separator to prevent or break down a foam formation by reducing liquid surface tension. Okay, next is the polyelectrolyte. Okay, what polyelectrolyte do? Polyelectrolyte is added before the hydrocyclones and causes oil droplets to merge. This works by reducing a surface tension and water polarity. This is also called fluctuations, and a polyelectrolyte fluctuants allow emulsions to reach 40 ppm or less than that. Okay, next is methanol MEG. Okay, methanol and MEG or monoethylene glycol is injected in flow lines to prevent hydrate formations and prevent corrosions. Hydrates are crystalline compounds that form in water crystalline structures as a function of composition, temperatures, and pressures. Hydrates appear and freeze to hydrate ice that may damage equipment and pipelines. For normal rises, hydrates form only when production stops and the temperature starts to drop. Hydrate formation can be prevented by depressurization, which adds to startup time, or by methanol injection. Okay. On a longer flow lines in cold seawater or Arctic climates, hydrates may form under a normal operating condition and require a continuous methanol injection. In this case, the methanol can be separated and recycled. Okay, hydrate predictions model software can be used to determine when there is a risk of hydrate formation and to reduce methanol injection or delay depressurization process. Okay, next is the TG, triethylene glycol. Triethylene glycol is used to dry gas, as we have discussed in my lecture number 34 and 35. Okay, next is the hypochlorite. Okay, hypochlorite is added to seawater to prevent a growth of algae and bacteria. For example, in seawater heat exchangers, hypochlorite is produced by electrolysis of the seawater to chlorine. In one variant, copper electrodes are used, which adds copper salts to the solution that improve the effectiveness. Okay, next is the biocide. Okay, biocide. Biocides are also prevent a chemical that are added to prevent microbiological activity in all production systems such as bacteria, fungus, algae growth, etc. Particularly problems arise when the growth of sulfate reducing a bacteria that produces hydrogen sulfide and clogs of filters. Typical uses include diesel tanks, produced water after hydrocyclone, and slope and blast tanks, etc. Okay, next is a corrosion inhibitor. Corrosion inhibitor is injected in export pipelines and storage tank export oil and can be highly corrosive, leading to corrosions of the inside of the pipelines or tank. The corrosion inhibitor protect by forming a thin film on a metal surface. Okay, next is the drag reducer. Okay, what is drag reducer basically do? Drag reducers improve the flow in the pipelines. Fluid near the pipe tries to stay stationary while fluid in the center region of the pipe is moving quickly. This large difference in fluid causes turbulent bursts to occur in the buffer region. Turbulent bursts propagate and form turbulent eddies which cause dragging. The drag-reducing polymers are long chains, ultra-high molecules weight polymers from 1 to 10 million microns with higher molecule weight polymers giving better drag reduction performance with only a parts per million level in the pipeline fluid. Drag-reducing polymer suppresses the formation of turbulent bursts in the buffer region. The net result of using the drag-reducing polymer is turbulent flow is a decrease in the frictional pressure drop in the pipeline by as much as 70%. This can be used to lower pressure or improve throughput as well. Okay, this was my last slide. So what we discussed today, conclusion, telecommunication, external communication, internal communications, and recap chemical and additives. Okay, my next topic, unconventional and conventional resources and environment effects. References here. First, Qatar Petroleum Doha Qatar. Second, Oil and Gas Development Corporation Limited Pakistan. World Energy Outlook 2013. US Geological Survey. US Department of Energy. Schellenberger Oilfield Glossary. International Energy Agency IEA. Wikipedia. Oklahoma State Margin Well Commission's Pumpers Manual. State oil fact sheets. Nordic Standard. Standard Norway. The Story of Oil in the Pennsylvania. Air Liquid Gas Encyclopedia. Natural gas from wellhead to burner tip. Okay. Together everyone achieve more. Please do not hesitate to send me your feedback at t.masood.dia@balth.edu. And you can also send me your feedback through WhatsApp. I have provided my WhatsApp number. Thank you very much for your precious time. Please stay at home, stay safe, inspired and blessed. Thank you very much.